Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor from SNS Institutions, B-Spine. So today we are going to look into the topic of project management from operational, like distinguish between the project management from operation excellence. So yes, what would be the difference and the distinguish between these both of things? So let us jump into the topic. So project management focuses on achieving specific objectives within the defined time work and budget. It involves planning, executing, and closing projects to meet stakeholders' expectations. The key elements include scope, resource, risk management, ensuring successful project delivery. Yes, so in a simple way, a project management is a kind of where it is something specific to it. It is a temporary file where people will work onto a particular time period on a particular task is called as a project management, where the people will not sustain for their lifetimes. So if the project get closed, it would be ended up with the situations. So if it is around a time of like time boundaries, it would be running with the scopes. We need to hire for the resource packs of all these things, and we have to maintain the risk managements too within it. So this is the definitions of this project management. So, understanding the operational excellence. The operational excellence emphasizes continuous improvement and efficiency of business processes. It aims to optimize the resource and element waste, ensuring high quality outputs. This approach fosters a culture of innovations and agility. Okay, now the operation excellence emphasize the continuous improvement and efficiency. If a project manager is a kind of a person who runs that project and gets that project from the client and gets approved from the management to implement into the situations. So he's a project. On this operations, we are the persons, like they are the persons to monitor them very particularly and personally to improve the quality and the quantity of the projects with assignments which they are working on. The efficiency of the business process will also increase because of their operation level. So on this particular times, if the time phrased as 1 hour for a task, this operation teams ensure that the work would be completed within 1 hour. So they are responsible for the efficiencies of the works. So they have lot of ideas to get implemented to make that work done very easily. So they take like innovation ideas, and they make like strategic goals to build up with the situations along. So what is the key difference? The primary difference lies on focus, like project management is temporary and goal oriented. Yes, that is the key word. Project management is something called temporary and it is goal oriented. Project have defined start and end dates. So aiming for sustainable and long term success. Okay. We will see what is project and operations. So it is essential to differentiate between projects and ongoing operations. Operations are continuous and repetitive activities that maintains the business day-to-day function. The projects are temporary and aim to achieve a specific goals. So yes, these are all the differences which we are going to look into it. So what are the best practices to achieve success in both areas? Organizations should adapt best practices for project management, utilize the agile methodologies, while for the operation excellence, embrace lean principles. Integrating both approaches can lead to enhanced collaborations. So yes, both are like most important and very important. So efficiently, the major part of like project management is a kind of thing where we have to manage that project and we have to complete that project. Operation in the other hand, it represents the day-to-day practices, like day-to-day activities which should be accomplished. So if a project gets, we will get a time period of 1 month or like couple of months or like 2 months months. So the project extends to months and months, but that efficiencies and everything should be monitored by the operation peoples. The day-to-day task is completed or not, the day-to-day activities is like efficient or not. So everything will be handled by the uh, person who is in an operation. So that is the major difference between them. So yes, in the conclusion, distinguish between the project management and operation excellence is essential for organization success. So both are needed at the same time, where we can make our own decisions in a right way. Thank you so much.